In Kenya today, many people are discovering that you do not need a formal job to earn a good living. Life has changed, and opportunities are now everywhere, especially with the growth of the internet, mobile money, and small businesses. Many young people, parents, and even students are finding ways to make money on their own terms. This journey is not always easy, but with patience, discipline, and the right mindset, it is possible to build a stable income without being employed. The first thing to understand is that making money without a job requires a shift in thinking. Instead of waiting for employment, you begin to look at problems around you and find ways to solve them. Money flows to value. When you offer something useful, people are willing to pay for it. This could be a service, a product, or even information. The more value you provide, the more money you can make over time. One of the most common ways to earn money without a job in Kenya is through freelancing. Freelancing means offering your skills to clients online. If you can write, design, edit videos, or manage social media accounts, you can find people who need your help. Many beginners start small, earning as little as Kenya shillings 500 per task. With time and experience, this can grow to Kenya shillings 50,000 or even Kenya shillings 100,000 per month. The key is consistency and improving your skills every day. Another powerful way to make money is through social media. Platforms like video sharing apps and photo sharing apps have created opportunities for ordinary people to become content creators. You do not need expensive equipment to start. A simple smartphone and good ideas are enough. You can create content about business, lifestyle, education, or entertainment. As your audience grows, you can earn money through advertisements, brand deals, and promotions. Some creators in Kenya are earning more than Kenya shillings 70,000 per month just from posting videos regularly. Selling products online is also a strong option. You can start with a small amount of capital, such as Kenya shillings 5,000 or Kenya shillings 10,000. Buy items like clothes, shoes, or beauty products and sell them on social media or messaging apps. You can also use online marketplaces. Another method is dropshipping, where you sell products without keeping stock. When a customer places an order, the supplier delivers the item directly. This reduces risk and allows you to start with very little money. Blogging and creating a website is another long-term strategy. At first, it may seem slow because you do not earn immediately. However, if you are patient and consistent, it can become very profitable. You choose a topic you understand well, such as business ideas, farming, or technology. Then you write helpful articles that people search for online. Over time, your website attracts visitors, and you can earn through advertisements and partnerships. Some bloggers in Kenya earn over Kenya shillings 100,000 per month once they build enough traffic. There are also many small local businesses that do not require employment. For example, you can start a food vending business selling items like boiled eggs, smokies, or chips. With a starting capital of about Kenya shillings 3,000 to Kenya shillings 10,000, you can begin and grow steadily. Another idea is a car wash business. With basic equipment and a good location, you can earn daily income. Many people also make money by selling second-hand clothes, commonly known as mitumba. This business is popular because it has high demand and flexible pricing. If you already have something valuable, you can turn it into income. For example, if you have a spare room, you can rent it out. If you own a camera, you can offer photography services or rent it to others. If you have a car, you can use it for transport services or deliveries. These are simple ways to earn money from assets you already own without needing a job. Another option is doing small online tasks and surveys. These do not pay much, but they can help you earn extra income. You may earn between Kenya shillings 200 and Kenya shillings 1,000 per day, depending on the tasks available. While this may not replace a full income, it can support you as you build other income streams. Teaching others what you know is also a great opportunity. If you have knowledge in a certain area, you can create simple training programs or guides. You can sell these through messaging apps or online platforms. For example, if you understand graphic design, you can teach beginners for a fee. Even charging Kenya shillings 1,000 per student can add up if you have many learners. One important thing to remember is that success without a job takes time. You may not see results immediately. Many people give up too early because they expect quick money. The truth is that building income requires effort and patience. You must be willing to learn new skills, try different ideas, and improve continuously. Mistakes will happen, but they are part of the journey. It is also very important to avoid scams. There are many people who promise easy money or quick riches. Be careful with any opportunity that asks for large amounts of money upfront or guarantees unrealistic returns. Focus on genuine methods that require effort and provide real value. Saving and managing your money is another key factor. When you start earning even small amounts like Kenya shillings 500 per day, learn to save a portion. Use your savings to grow your business or invest in tools that can increase your income. Discipline with money will help you move from survival to stability. Over the years, especially from the year 2020 to the year 2026, Kenya has seen a rise in digital opportunities. More people have access to smartphones and the internet. This means the number of ways to earn money without a job will continue to grow. Those who adapt and learn new skills will benefit the most. In conclusion, making money without a job in Kenya is not only possible, but also practical in today's world. There are many paths you can take, from freelancing and content creation to small businesses and online selling. The most important thing is to start with what you have, stay consistent, and keep improving. Your journey may begin with small earnings, but with time and effort, it can grow into a reliable source of income. The future belongs to those who take action and create their own opportunities.